Brushing your dog's teeth is possible and is the best way to prevent periodontal disease. Here's some tips to get it done successfully. Hi, I'm Matt from Companion Animal Vet Hospital, and you're watching our Family Pet Care video series, your guide to the latest information and best practices to help you care for your family pet. To keep up to date, hit the subscribe button below. 70% of dogs at 3 years of age have periodontal disease, which leads to stinking breath and if left unchecked will cause painful infection in the gums. Brushing the teeth is the best way of preventing the build-up of plaque, which causes periodontal disease. Brushing can be started at a young age, and just like anything else that you train your dog to do, it is much easier to train a young puppy. But it is also possible to teach an old dog new tricks, and they're never too old to start brushing. The most important thing to remember is that this needs to be a positive experience for your dog. If you don't make it a positive experience, it will not work in the long run. The best time to brush is just before you feed your dog. This has two benefits. One, it will help you get into a routine. And two, it will make it a positive experience because your dog gets rewarded with a meal. If you do it right, they might even start asking to have their teeth brushed. Have a special area that you use to brush your dog's teeth, and always go to this spot to do it. Ideally use an elevated surface, especially for small dogs, such as the top of a washing machine. This makes it easier to reach the mouth and helps to signify to the dog that it's time to clean. When brushing the teeth, use a special dog toothpaste. Poultry flavoured toothpaste has a chemical benefit to reduce bacteria in the mouth, but the flavouring also helps to make it a positive experience. When starting out, use a microfiber cloth over the end of your finger and wipe it over the tooth. This is much less confronting than coming at your dog with a bristly stick. Only introduce the toothbrush once your dog is comfortable with the process and settled into the routine. This can sometimes take a few weeks, and some dogs will never accept the brush. Even if you need to stick with the cloth, it's still better than doing nothing. Plaque accumulates at the junction between the tooth and the gums, and you should concentrate on cleaning this area. You don't need to worry too much about the inside of the teeth, as the tongue tends to keep them clean. The exception to this is dogs with long snouts such as greyhounds. These dogs tend to get a lot of accumulation inside the canine teeth, and you should try and clean here if possible. You can use a soft kid's toothbrush, but I like these specially designed toothbrushes for dogs. The brush contours much more nicely to the shape of the dog's teeth. To sum up, daily brushing of your dog's teeth can be built into your daily routine to help prevent periodontal disease. But it is really important that you make it a positive experience for your dog. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And to keep up to date, hit the subscribe button. Here's some tips to get it done successfully.
Good flow.